Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Smallfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. This is my lesson on a classic song from the Shadows called Geronimo. Standard tuning, no capos, doing the same key as the original Shadows recording, like A minor. Okay, so I'm going to hopefully teach you both the rhythm and the lead bits. Okay, so we're starting off with the intro. The lead part for the intro is like a double stops, okay, and it's like this. Okay, so what am I doing there? So I'm starting off with a double stop, 8th fret of the top E string and 10th fret of the second string, B string, okay. Then we're going up to the 12th fret of the top E with the 13th fret of the second string. Okay, 12 on the top E, 13 on the second string. Okay, so you've got then we go down to the 10th fret on the top E and the 12th fret on the second string. So now you've got those three. Then we go down to the double stop on the first string, 7th fret, second string, 8th fret. And finally we go back up to the 8th fret, top E, 10th fret, second. That's the one we started on, okay? So it's so that's your intro for the lead guitar part, double stops. Rhythm wise, very simple, it's just A minor, G, back to A minor. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, just A minor, G, A minor. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that's that. Now, the lead part for the verse, we call it a verse, okay. First phrase, fifth string open, A string open, then we got this little bit which is the 2nd fret of the 4th string down to the 1st fret of the 4th string up to the 2nd fret again, so it's 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd fret, 4th string, up to the 3rd fret, 4th string, and back to the 2nd fret, 4th string. So it's all on the 4th string. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. All on the 4th string there, okay? So, okay. Then a little mini pause, and then we do. And that's basically 4th string open, 3rd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 5th string. Alright, so you got from the beginning. As far as we got. And then you repeat that phrase on the 4th string again. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. So you do that again, that bit, okay? So right from the beginning. Okay, so far so good, hopefully. Then we do 5th string, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3 on the 5th string, the A string. And then we do that phrase again on the 4th string. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay? So right from the beginning. Okay, so far so good. Then we go to the 3rd fret on the 4th string, to the 2nd fret 4th string. Okay, so now we've got as far as we've got, okay. And then we go to the 1st fret, 3rd string, the G string, and then the open 2nd string. Okay, got that? So let's just go right from the beginning. We'll go all the way from the beginning, okay? Do the double stops as well, okay? So here we go. Here we go. Okay, got that. Now then, the rhythm behind that part of the verse. So coming up, we'll go right from the beginning. We'll do the intro slowly, rhythm-wise. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. A minor. Dun, da 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 da. E7. That's an E chord with the 3rd finger off, 4th string open. 2nd on the 5th, 1st fret of the 3rd, right? Dun, da 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 da. E7. Da 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 da. C. Da 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 da. E7 again. Da, da. Got that? Good. So just do that again. Dun, dun. Oh, sorry, let's do that right from the beginning. No, wait, that bit. Dun, 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 E7, da da da, da da da, C, da da da, da da da, E7, da da da. Right, next bit. Right, lead part. I'm playing a partial F chord, a simple F chord, yeah, and I'm just playing 4, 3 and 2 as a single sort of chord. Bit of a pause, minute pause. We play that 1st fret of the 2nd string, okay? Open 2nd string, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 5th. So it's okay. Then we go to the next phrase. That's 2nd on the 4th, open 3rd, 3rd on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, sorry, let's do that. 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, 3rd on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 5th, open 5th. So repeat that whole couple of bits. F shape, 3, 4 down to 2. 1st on the 2nd, open 2nd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, 3rd on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 5th, open 5th. Okay. And the final phrase is which is third on the fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth, second on the fourth. Then we do a slide from 3 to 5 on the 5th string, the A string, and then same on the bottom E, 3 to 5. So you hit the note and then hit it again and slide up. So it's like on the third, so it's, and then you do hit that third on the 5th, and then you hit it again and slide up to 5. And then you hit the bottom E string's 3rd fret, and then hit it again and slide up to 5. Okay? So the whole verse from the lead point of view. Okay? So here we go. Right from the beginning. Okay? Slowly. Here we go. Okay, now then, the rhythm. So far we've gone up to the bit where it just changes to the F. That bit's alright. That bit. So we've got the beginning bit, so I'll just go through the rhythm from the very start, okay, from that bit, the actual intro. Dun, dun, dun. A minor, dun, da 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 da, E7, da da da, da 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 da, C, da da da, da da da, E7 again, da da da. Right, this is the bit we haven't done. F, da da da, C, da da da, back to F, da da da, A minor. Da da da, F, da da da, C, da da, G, da da, A minor. Let me do another verse, okay? Just repeat the whole thing again. So that F bit is da da da. So it's F. That bit that goes. F, da da da, C, da da da, F, da da, A minor, da da da, F, da da da, C, da, G, da da da, A minor. Then we repeat the whole thing again, right? Da 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 da, E7, da da da, da 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 da, C. Da da da, da 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 da, E7, da da da, da, F, da, C, da da da, F, A minor, da 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 da, F, da, C, da, G, da da, A minor. Now we come to the middle section. Okay, which I'm going to leave for lesson number 2. Okay, see you in lesson 2 for the rest of the song. Bye for now.